Hello everybody, Shelley here. So a while back, my husband and I had gone to Paris. And I have videos in case you're at all interested in seeing a little bit more about our recent Paris trip. And it was just really a weekend. A long story, but anyway. Discovered a brand called Polene, not Polene, Polene. And there were these French gals and these American gals talking about these bags. And so I bought one when we came back and I love it. And I've done an unboxing of this bag already. This is a substantial bag. It's like a good size, big bag. Love everything about this bag. Once you buy stuff, of course, that algorithm in social media where they start giving you ads about things that you've liked before. I ordered another one. This is not the same size. This is the Numero Un, and this is a mini, I think. Or Nano, or one of the two, but I thought I would unbox it with you guys. I think there might be a warehouse in Spain, but so it's kind of fun when you're tracking the package and it's like, oh, it's in Seville, or oh, it's in Frankfurt, or wherever in Europe. I mean, it's kind of fun. So I thought I would open these up. Now, I ordered this during the coronavirus kind of epidemic, and so one of the options, it said if you order it and you're okay with not having it rush shipped, they'll send you a gift. I did not choose this, I did not order it, but again, this is the beautiful little Polene box. And inside was a little leather, like card case wallet. It's stamped Polene on one side, and it's super cute. You know, would I have chosen this on my own? Maybe, I don't know. It comes stuffed with stuff, but it's a, you know, it's a good size to throw in. You could probably put coins in it. I probably will just travel light and throw in my, you know, whatever ID and whatever else I need to have in there. Anyway, that was a surprise gift. I had no idea what they were going to send me. I really honestly didn't know. I kind of hoped it would be some sort of wallet-y thing, so I'm not upset with this at all. All right. Oh, I'm so excited for this bag. I have purposely not been getting into it because I wanted to film with it first. My husband's like, when are you going to start, you know, using that bag? Okay. So they came with a little card. These are kind of cute. Polene-paris.com if you're at all interested in these bags. I think I've seen one person walking around Seattle with a Polene bag. They all come with these gorgeous dust cover things. These are so soft. This in itself is just so pretty. I'm thrilled to have them, you know, when you store them. I mean, I like to store my like nicer high-end stuff. And these aren't like ridiculously high-end. Like these aren't like YSL bags or Chanel bags. Okay, I'm taking the plastic off of it. And that's the bag. So this one's smaller. Let me show you the size difference between the two, just for fun, so you can see why. This one felt like it was almost like luggage. It was so big, and I love it. And it is a big, substantial bag. Like this is a great, almost like a carry-on. If you're a big bag gal, this is a great bag. I wanted something a little bit smaller for every day, so I chose this size, but look at the difference. I mean, I feel like it's almost half the size. Comes with a crossbody strap and a little handle, and there's a couple of these. This one I got because it had the leather strap. There's another one that has like a chain strap, which is pretty, but I thought this would be more comfortable to do, you know, a crossbody and to be able to wear it. I love this camel color. It's so just classic. This is a real leather. It's smooth. The stitching on it is fantastic. It has little feet. I don't even have to take any like little plastic off the feet. It does have a little pocket in the back that I guess you could put, I don't know if you could put your phone in there. Magnetic closure. And when you open it up, it's, of course I've got padding in there right now. It doesn't look like it's got a ton of room, but you can open up these and then you have a generous size inside. I'm so excited about this bag, you guys. Taking the padding out. Bag itself, again, it has the little like sort of envelope. I don't know what you call these interior pockets. It's stamped with Polene. It's got the Polene kind of stamped but then embossed right here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna take the little cover off the magnetic here. Get rid of that. Don't need that anymore. I am so happy right now. Look at the size of this. This is perfect for running around town. You know, you throw your keys, your wallet, your sunglasses, your face mask, you know, whatever else you need just for a quick trip. This color right here, this is classic. This is never gonna go out of style. They have all kinds of different colors. They have several different sizes. I think that there's something like 7 different styles. I just really liked the look of this. I thought it was just so like distinctive. It's substantially lighter than this one. This is so solid, and this one feels like, okay, that's every day. And this is good enough for me to, I mean, I can easily throw my camera in here, my phone. I mean, this is a good like walking around the city if you want to do that, and this is a good like carry-on size. I wonder if I could nest them inside of each other. Let me try that really fast. You guys don't care, but I'm gonna do it. So this little guy will fit right inside the black one. Look at that. This black one has so much room in it. I love the bags. I don't know, I'm just so excited about this. Do you guys want to know prices? Again, you can go to polene.com. I don't know that you can buy them in the US anywhere, like buy them locally. I know that they have a store in Paris, that, like a showroom that when it's open you can go into. But let me see if I can give you prices on these things here. And of course my bag is on the front, just not that color. I think this happened last time. I think the bag that I had just bought was on the front. There's that other bag that I have. That was my first bag right there. And I think this is the same one that I have, or one very close to it. This looks like it's $420. And they have a ton of colors. Look at all those colors that they have. Love the navy blue. Man, that would be a good color to have. The burgundy's beautiful. Okay, focus here, Shel. They're expensive, but if you think about, they're kind of on par with like Coach, maybe. Same sort of price point. If you want something that's not like everybody else's. And the wallet itself, I can't tell if it's $35 for the little, yeah, so the little coin purse that I got, if you wanted to buy that separately. And again, it's nice leather. Anyway, this looks like it's $35. Number 1 Nano in camel is what I got. Okay, so this one, so the big one, the Numero Un, is, or number 1 if you want to say it in English, $420. This Nano, the Numero Un Nano, which is basically the same shape, just a smaller size, this was $300. And the wallet that I got as a customer appreciation gift was $35 if you wanted to buy these. They had another wallet, was like $50. They have other leather goods too. You guys, I love this. I love this so much. I'm so happy right now. This is such a beautiful bag. This is a collector item bag. I will literally have this the rest of my life. And this one, but now I have 2. Have you ever heard of this brand before? Are you at all interested? These feel so stinking luxurious and just beautiful, exceptional quality leather goods. I didn't get any kind of discount on these. I paid full retail price for them because I'm in love with this brand, and you don't see too much of it in the US. I want a navy one. I think this is what I want to do. The next time we're able, when all this lockdown is done and I go to Paris next, I want to get a navy one. Maybe a different shape. I don't know. We'll have to see. But anyway, how cute is this? All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're not a regular subscriber and you just came because of the Polene bag, thank you for stopping by. I have one other Polene bag video. I will link it in here. I'm absolutely just enamored by the quality of these. So thank you if you found me just because of the Polene bag. If you're at all interested, I am a lady of a certain age and I'm not a professional makeup artist. And I try to do a lot of like playing with makeup videos for ladies of a certain age. Sometimes it's tips and tricks, sometimes it's products, sometimes it's just trying to see if we can get several different looks out of one and is it a good value for your money. I also have several subscription services that I do unboxings of. Sometimes it's clothing and fashion hauls, sometimes lifestyle, you know, sometimes it's just random. I think I just filmed one on how to do my dip nails, which I've never done before, but it's fun to do something different. If you were at all interested in doing a sister a favor, please subscribe. Even if you don't watch any of my videos, I really need subscribers right now, so I would love it if you could subscribe to my channel. You don't have to turn on the notification bell, but I do tend to post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3 p.m. Pacific time. I'm in the US. I try to have things conversational, so feel free to leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this. I do speak a little bit of French. Could probably figure out what it is you're saying if you happen to be en français. I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know if you've ever seen this bag other than my other unboxing. Are you in an area where you're seeing more and more of it? I know that it's really taken off in the last couple years in Paris. You see more and more women carrying these, and it's just like this cult following. I'm obsessed with it, so I'm talking to you guys about it. just because I don't think a lot of US women are aware of it. Unless you're well-traveled, I don't think you're aware of this great brand. They ship fast, maybe not during quarantine, during, you know, COVID-19, things have been a little bit slower, but they more than made up for the delay by sending me a little free gift, so I'm not upset by that at all. The company seems really easy and great to work with, and I love the product. So I hope this is interesting to you guys. I hope you're doing well, and until my next video, bye for now.